Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you that we must have a proper crank whenever we are attaching some extra rod or extra bar on the pillars. I'm going to show you. So as you see that one, look at this one. So this is how somewhat like you must give attachment like this. There must be a little crank like here. You see on the four sides we have cranks and the rods have been attached to extend till the maximum height we need. So always remember this thing and make a good home. This is a good practice. So that's it in this video. Bye bye and take care.